Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me. So today I'm going to introduce this brand new skincare I'm going to introduce this brand new addition to your daily skincare routine. It's the newest member of my favorite skincare range, the Anew Skin Renewal, and I think this is why I'm so excited about it. So it is the Anew Renewal Power Multi-Protection Skin Cream with an SPF of 15. And it comes in this lovely box which matches all the other boxes in the range. So it's lovely to see that. So if you're from 28 upwards, starting to see early signs of aging, or you're looking for that great boost to your skin, this is the product for you. Whether you work from home or you commute to work, again, this will protect your skin during the day. If you're looking after children, or maybe you're enjoying your retirement, then this product is one for you. So it's for basically anyone who wants to protect their skin from everyday threats like UV rays and pollutants, indoor and also outside. So our skin is constantly under attack, even when we're just sitting indoors. And this cream is like your invisible armour. It's not just shielding you, but it's actively repairs with its powerful ingredients. So if you're starting to see early signs of aging, maybe your skin is looking a little bit dull, or you've got an uneven skin tone, then this cream is definitely going to help you. So it comes in this lovely little tube. It's 50 mils, so it's actually the same quantity as you would have got in a jar, like the original Skin Renewal Power Cream. So if you just, I'm going to put it on the back of my back of my hand just to show you. So if you just press it here, like so, and it comes out quite easily. So just be careful because you probably won't need a great quantity of it. And then you just start lightly rubbing it into your skin. Now, of course, I'm doing it on the back of my hand because don't really know why. But just to show you, it's easily going in. You can see how nicely it absorbs into my skin. It's got a smell. I wouldn't say it's a beautiful smell, but it's not too revolting. But that's because it's not perfumed. So that's it. It's gone on easily, absorbed nicely. And I'll just give, whilst I carry on talking, and then we'll come back and see what I can feel on my skin, just to give it that chance, just to start absorbing a little bit more. So, the key benefits of this cream, it protects you against the 5 major causes of skin cell damage. Like UV rays, it's got the SPF 15, pollution, outside, also indoor pollutants, like your home appliances, photopollutants, like artificial light, and even it protects you against blue light pollutants, like those we get from our computer and our mobile phone. It also helps boost your skin's natural collagen. This product has 10 times the Protinol that you normally see in our Anew day and night day creams. It's also got a Niacinamide, and that's going to help accelerate the skin cell renewal, and antioxidants which protect us from the free radicals. So why is this product so special? Well, not only does it have the SPF 50, so it's going to give you some protection during the day, whether you're inside or out, but it also has the amazing ingredient Protinol, which is Avon's patented award-winning ingredient. And that boosts not only one, not two, but as it's got 10 times the amount of Protinol in it, it has actually been discovered that it boosts a third type of collagen as well. So it boosts your collagen 1, and that's the one that gives you the lovely baby bounce, helps to give that really smooth baby skin feel and the real bounce, that the elasticity, helping to strengthen your skin again. Collagen 3, which helps maintain your skin structure, again giving it resilience and strength. And then collagen 4 as well, and that's the one that gives you the scaffolding and the structure again to your skin, but it also helps with your skin health, helping with wound healing and also reducing the signs of wrinkles. And unlike retinol, it has no irritation, so just see results. So you would expect, as you do with the other products in this range, to see great results within 7 days. So it's going to help to deeply hydrate your skin. It's going to help smooth your skin, reduce the look of the fine lines and wrinkles. You'll see firmness in your skin. It will increase its radiance, strengthen the skin, and it also helps to improve your skin resilience. So this product fits really nicely into the range. So on a daily basis, after cleansing your skin, you would first of all use the eye cream, then use the serum, and then finally you would put on this before you put your makeup on, or if you wanted a higher SPF, your sun cream. And it's a really simple regime, and it's a great multitasking cream. It's got the SPF, it's got the anti-aging ingredients, you're going to get protection, and it's going to bring a lovely glow to your skin. And finally, it's going to be all in one cream. Now, it's actually currently been launched online, so you can get it in my store. It's just £16.50. The full price is £22, so already you're getting a saving there of £5.50. However, there is an even better offer on my online store. Both these offers will be in the brochure for June, so you can get rep delivery on that. If you would like me to order these ahead for you, then just make a comment and I'll do that for you, or send me a DM, direct message. I'm quite happy to respond to that as well. So for the duo, the AM cream, the PM cream, together you're going to get a massive saving of £24. Over 50% saving on this. So these two creams together are just £20. Now I think that is an absolute amazing price. I find that using this on a daily basis, probably 1 to 2 months, it will last. So I've got great expectations for this as well. I think they're really great creams. I will pop the links in the comments. As I said, these offers will actually be on next month as well. For next month, they just started early online. If you've got any questions, just pop them in the comments, or if you don't want to pop them in the comment, just send me a private message. I'm always happy to help. as you can see, I have completed my beauty advisor with Avon skincare expert, and I do really love to talk about skincare. So please, any questions? Also, if you've tried any Anew products, I'd love to know what you think about them. So again, just pop in the comment what one you used and just let us all know what you thought. So thank you very much for watching. Again, as I said, new product just launched. It's the Anew, I have to keep looking at it actually. If I get the box, then I can read the box whilst putting it up there. So it is the Anew Skin Renewal Power Multi-Protection Shield. It's got antioxidants, it's got an SPF 15, it's got 10 times the Protinol, and it's also got Niacinamide. So, thank you very much for watching. Take care and see you soon. Bye for now.